My wife's got an aviary and she uses these little perches for the birds to sit on, and they screw onto the side of the aviary, like this one here. But the one I've just showed you is actually starting to bend and break the netting here. So what I'm going to do is just make a wooden plate here and then fix that perch on there. So the idea is that I'm going to use this, I'm just going to cut this down, a little bit of scrap. I'm going to put that through there and fix it onto there. And then I'm probably going to use some of these bolts and fix it onto the mesh. And there it is, it's done. A lot more sturdy than it was. So this seems to be quite brittle. This galvanised meshing does, so I don't know how long it will last, but it should bend a bit less now that the layer is spread across the wider area.